Hi, welcome to the Homestead. I'm Hannah Steeves Carney with Rebecca Steeves Realty. Today we're going to be looking at this beautiful property on the Nashwaak, an award-winning wedding venue with so many opportunities. With 3 buildings, the house, the barn, and the reception hall. But let's start in the house. This picturesque property has so much to offer, starting with the ability to live in and love this beautiful century-old home. On this level, we have a large living room, a main floor bedroom, and a formal dining room. Brought into the 21st century with an updated kitchen, this room also features a dining nook, a living area with a wood stove, access to the bathroom and a garage, and the beautiful sunroom. Upstairs, there's another 4 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. The large master bedroom has its own walk-in closet, an ensuite, and a balcony. And you can get back down to the kitchen from here. Now let's take a look inside the reception building. The reception hall, which was built in 2014, offers all the needed amenities to host year-round weddings, conferences, classes, summer camps, retreats, and more. This building is wheelchair accessible, features large windows overlooking the beautiful pastures, a Class 4 kitchen, 2 large multi-stall washrooms, a bridal suite with a private bathroom, and a large reception area. Currently being used as a summer camp, the large barn offers so many opportunities, including a beautiful wedding venue. Thanks for watching. For more information on 1562 Canada Street, visit realtor.ca for pictures and a 3D tour.